Hi, it's Landon here with PPE again here at Sema 2024. This is our Powerstroke. This is our big debut item. We've been waiting to release this, and I am so excited to release it here. Last year we had our intercooler, which is still very badass and cool. A lot of people having great numbers with this, with cooler charge air temps, towing and everything, and dyno numbers. This is our debut product we're releasing. It's all our intake charge air system for the Powerstroke. It's all 304 stainless, all factory mounts everywhere, retains factory mounting. You're not gonna have any fitment issues here at all. All the up pipes, new bellows, flanges, clamps, everything is gonna come brand new PPE. Even this crossover pipe here to the EGR is a new pipe with a gasket made by PPE. All these factory mounting locations, I'm telling you guys, no zip ties at all with this kit. You keep the zip ties in the toolbox because you'll be using all the bolts and nuts here. Just some of the machining, the quick connects, beautiful. And we had to get a little bit of our carbon fiber in here as well because we're just killing the carbon fiber game. You can get this in forged and regular weaved here. This factory fit is just not really heard of in the game at all. Whatever machine is welding the pipes, just the puddles look so beautiful every time. That heat, that's just perfect penetration. If you guys wanting to boost up your 6.7 Powerstroke, keep it cool, perform well, all emissions compliant, everything making good power, this is the kit to do.